Logic Pro provides you with a way to create chord charts in its score editor with MIDI information. I've used the score editor in remote tracking in complex projects, requiring I create the score replete with chord names in my do-it-yourself fashion. If you're a little short-handed on music theory, want to discover the names of simple chords you played on a MIDI track, need a little help from Logic Pro, there is this method. To demonstrate this, I created 4 potential chords. Double-click your MIDI track to open the piano roll editor, then select Score. The score editor allows us to figure out the chords ourselves if we have music theory knowledge, and the first 3 notes clearly constitute a C major chord. Let's return to the piano roll editor. Select all notes of the first chord, and the suggested chord is reflected left of the piano keyboard, and it tells you 3 notes were selected and the chord is highly likely C. Now the next 3 spell D minor, and the next 4 spell an E minor 7, and last 3 spell an F5 major 7. Logic Pro's analysis is based on the chosen notes. Here's an example. This was a D minor. We add an extra note, and it tells us it's a D minor 6. So the notes in your chord could appear in line with each other or scattered about. The next part of this tutorial is to find and place chord symbols in the score editor. Select Score again. Look under the category A for chord. Click and drag this feature to its location. So let's bring it to the first chord and enter the name manually. So that's our C chord. Note that the text is anchored to a bar and beat position. So let's fill in the rest. This was a D minor. This was an E minor 7. And this was our F5 major 7. You may double-click the chord symbol to customize its look, which includes the appearance of its root note, chord quality, any extensions, and any non-root bass note. So in the example here, I'd like the 5th note of the chord next to its root note, F, and the quality and extensions, M7, above this. If you're doing a lot of copy and paste of repeat chords, then a prudent step is to cut up the chords into regions and name each chord in the channel strip. A shortcut to that is Shift and N. Now you may proceed to locate the chords and expediently copy and paste. A note to the wise: Logic Pro uses its algorithm to analyze chosen notes to give you the resultant chord names. You have to determine if these suggestions reflect your intent. Please like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Thanks.